EcoMister Evaporator, the most economical wastewater disposal solution on the market. 1/10 of a cent per U.S. gallon. That's 26 cents per cubic meter. Made from stainless steel and with a Scotch Code fusion-bonded epoxy coating, the EcoMister Evaporator is built tough. It provides outstanding, predictable performance. Just set it and forget it. The EcoMister Evaporator runs autonomously 24/7. Custom solutions are our specialty. Our engineering team will work with you to implement the exact solution your business needs. See what our customers are saying. For more information, visit our website